Welcome to the Easy channel. This is video number 59 and let's start.
What the fuck are you doing? Fuck you, what are you doing? You see the camera?
Always look in the review mirror multiple times.
Come on! You.
Yeah,
you only utilize this.
yeah, I'd say that's
The
right.
fuck are you doing?
I probably would utilize that tool.
Fuck you,
75% of the
buddy.
time if I'm happy.
Summer downpour and hot road and see what happened. Always look in the review mirror multiple times.
Familiarity has to be built in an authentic way to the more trust. Familiarity has to be built in an authentic way to minimize the risk of us or the brand we are trying to project getting to.
We can't figure it out. That was the joke I had, is that when they talk about the smartest people ever, they act like smart, and whenever there's something difficult.
Alexing this information is a big
Don't be sure in your driving or drifting skills.
Ja, we hebben zicht en hij gaat de afslag af. Eerste afslag naar de tunnel eraf, gecrashed, voertuig is OC. Ik zou de ambulance alvast maar gaan sturen.